We are often asked who is eligible for Medicare and who is eligible for Medicaid and what the standards are. So I wanted to jump into that a little bit with you today. Medicare is essentially a health insurance program that most people who have Social Security are eligible for. So whether you have age related Social Security or Social Security disability, if you are receiving those benefits, you often are then eligible for Medicare, which is essentially private health insurance that the government helps to fund, and it covers things like hospitalizations outside doctors, rehabilitation stays, all depending on which plan you have as well as which supplements. Medicaid, on the other hand, is a needs based program. So, Medicaid, you are only eligible for if you meet very strict income and asset requirements. The requirements for someone living in the community on Medicaid versus someone needing residential care and assisted living or a nursing home are very different, but they are both still very strict. The other thing is that Medicaid requirements vary significantly if you are an individual versus someone who is married, and whether only one or both of the people in a couple actually need Medicaid or maybe need long-term care Medicaid. So it's important to understand there's very strict financial requirements. Just because you have Medicare doesn't mean you have Medicaid or need Medicaid. The other thing, though, is just because you need Medicaid doesn't mean you don't need Medicare. So people will often ask to us, should I cancel my Medicare now that I have Medicaid? Don't do that. So Medicaid, for instance, for long-term care might pay for nursing home care on a long-term unskilled basis, but you still need Medicare to cover outside doctors, hospitalizations, things like that. So most of our clients who have Medicaid also have Medicare. Many of our clients have Medicare and don't have Medicaid.